Welcome to the era of the impossible, where Syntech Industries explores the sheer heights of the Huajiang Canyon, a place where gravity is merely a suggestion. China is currently rewriting the very definition of altitude, constructing a cloud-piercing marvel that challenges every known law of physics and traditional engineering in modern history. This is more than just infrastructure. It is a testament to human will, standing as the highest bridge in the world, overlooking a vertical drop of hundreds. Our team at Syntech Industries takes you deep into the heart of this project to understand the sheer scale and technological prowess required for such ambition. From this height, the world below transforms into a miniature landscape, emphasizing the gargantuan proportions of these concrete pillars that anchor this bridge to the earth. Imagine a road that travels through the heavens, connecting two distant mountain peaks, while suspended over a void that has remained impassable for many thousands of years. The Huajiang Canyon is a masterpiece of nature, but it presents a series of obstacles that would stop any standard construction project dead in its tracks today. At Syntech, we look beyond the concrete and steel to see the vision of a connected world, where even the most daunting geography is finally conquered effectively. Sophisticated monitoring systems are the silent guardians of this project, ensuring every millimeter of the structure remains stable under the most punishing environmental pressures and winds. As the sun sets, the bridge becomes a silhouette of human achievement, a line drawn across the sky that marks a new chapter in global structural engineering. Every piece of this puzzle weighs hundreds of tons, yet they are moved with the precision of a watchmaker at heights that would make most people tremble. The courage of these workers is matched only by the technology supporting them, creating a synergy that turns a dangerous dream into a very tangible reality. Time seems to behave differently up here, where the movement of the atmosphere below looks like a flowing river of white mist beneath the steel structure. Look down, and the sheer scale of the abyss becomes clear. A 600-meter vertical drop that defines the Huajiang Canyon as one of Earth's greatest chasms. Data is the fuel for this innovation, and at Syntech, we interpret these complex signals to ensure the safety and longevity of such an unprecedented structure. Even in the darkness, the bridge remains a beacon of progress, a silent giant that waits for the dawn to continue its expansion across the canyon. Tens of thousands of individual steel wires are woven together, creating a lifeline that can support the weight of thousands of cars and the bridge itself. Symmetry and strength go hand in hand here, where the mathematical precision of the design meets the raw, unyielding power of the natural mountain landscape below. Each spark represents a moment of creation, a permanent bond that adds to the structural integrity of a bridge built to last for over a century. Moving through the skeleton of the bridge, we see the world from a perspective few will ever experience, caught between the earth and the high heavens. Collaboration is key. Experts from across the globe contribute their knowledge to solve the unique problems presented by this extreme environment and geological verticality. Getting the materials to the site is a feat in itself, requiring specialized logistics and nerves of steel to navigate the narrow paths of the mountains. The first light of a new day brings the project closer to completion, marking another step toward the final link in this incredible sky-high transportation network. Down below, the Huajiang River carves its path through the limestone, a powerful force of nature that has shaped this landscape over millions of long years. The geology here is a nightmare of karst limestone, riddled with hidden caves and unstable surfaces that make traditional foundations nearly impossible to secure safely. Every anchor point must be meticulously tested, as the weight of the bridge exerts tremendous pressure on the ancient and potentially fragile rock of the canyon. The wind is a constant enemy, rushing through the narrow canyon like a jet stream, capable of swaying even the most massive structures with terrifying force. Monitoring wind speeds in real time is vital, as the bridge must be designed to flex and breathe with the gale force winds without ever losing integrity. Mist and fog can appear in minutes, blinding the construction crews and turning the site into a ghost-like world where visibility drops to near zero instantly. Precision measurement is the only way to navigate this whiteout environment, using lasers to ensure that the two halves of the bridge meet perfectly. This is a vertical world, where every piece of equipment must be hoisted hundreds of meters into the air before work can even begin each morning. Storms are frequent and fierce, testing the drainage systems and the corrosion resistance of every bolt and plate used in the bridge's massive iron skeleton. Understanding the subterranean secrets of the karst is essential, as the bridge's stability depends on finding the most solid layers hidden deep within the mountain. Aerodynamic design is what keeps this bridge from vibrating apart, with specialized flaps and shapes that break the wind's power and redirect the intense pressure. For the men and women on site, the environment is a constant physical challenge, requiring immense focus and physical endurance to perform their daily duties safely. The interaction between the man-made structure and the natural elements creates a beautiful yet dangerous dance of light, shadow, and immense structural force and tension. Earthquakes are another factor to consider, and the Huajiang Bridge is engineered with advanced dampers to survive the shifting plates of our active and restless planet. Thousands of tons of specialized high-strength concrete are poured into the karst rock, creating an artificial root system that anchors the bridge towers for eternity. When roads are too narrow, the air becomes the highway, with helicopters delivering vital components to parts of the bridge that are otherwise completely inaccessible by land. The tension in these cables is astronomical, held in place by massive hydraulic systems that ensure every wire is pulling its fair share of the load. On rare, clear days, the scale of the challenge becomes truly visible, as the bridge stands alone against an endless landscape of peaks and deep valleys. Syntech utilizes virtual reality to pre-visualize every challenge, allowing our engineers to walk through the bridge before a single piece of steel is ever put in. The sheer climb from the water's surface to the bridge's peak is a journey through different microclimates, from humid valley air to the cold mountain winds. Back in the factory, every component is crafted with extreme precision, as even the smallest error at this scale could lead to catastrophic failure during the assembly. Walking on the edge of the world requires a special kind of bravery, a commitment to a project that dwarfs the individual in both size and historical significance. The site never sleeps. The glow of construction serves as a constant reminder of the human drive to connect, even when faced with the most formidable terrain. High-tech mapping drones provide the data needed to understand the canyon's secrets, allowing us to place every anchor with the highest degree of safety and precision. Every bolt is a critical link in the chain of safety, tightened to exact specifications and checked multiple times by both human inspectors and advanced electronic sensors. Guizhou is known as the Museum of Bridges, but the Huajiang structure is the ultimate exhibit, pushing the limits of what was once thought possible in architecture. There is a spiritual quality to this construction, a bridge that literally touches the heavens and bridges the gap between our current capabilities and future dreams. Even the temperature of the concrete is monitored, as the chemical process of curing must be controlled to prevent any internal stress or microfractures from forming. Nature's power is on full display here, with the bridge standing as a silent, unyielding observer of the ancient processes that continue to shape the world below. As the days pass, the gap between the peaks narrows, bringing us closer to a future where the Huajiang Canyon is no longer a barrier, but a gateway. The heart of the bridge lies in its cables, massive bundles of high-tensile steel that act as the muscles holding the entire 4-kilometer span in place. This tower is a concrete giant, rising 262 meters into the sky, equivalent to a 90-story skyscraper built on the edge of a precipice in the wild. To understand the scale, consider that these towers rival the height of the Eiffel Tower, but they are built in one of the most remote regions. The construction process is a vertical marathon, with each segment built upon the last, as the towers slowly reach their final, cloud-piercing height above the canyon. The anchors are the bridge's roots, buried deep in the earth to resist the massive pulling force of the suspension cables that hold the road deck aloft. It is a perfect system of tension and compression, where every component plays a vital role in distributing the weight across the vast, deep mountain canyon. Mass dampers and aerodynamic stabilizers are integrated into the design, allowing the bridge to absorb energy and remain perfectly still, even during the most intense storms. The first connection is made by a thin pilot line, a fragile link that eventually paves the way for the massive steel cables that follow it. The road itself is made of modular steel segments, designed to be light enough for the cables to support, yet strong enough to handle heavy traffic loads. At the very top, the cable saddles act as the shoulders of the bridge, bearing the immense downward pressure of the main cables as they stretch across. Precision is the only acceptable standard, as even a fraction of a degree in misalignment could cause structural issues over the bridge's long, kilometer-plus span. The catenary curve of the cables is a mathematical masterpiece, a shape formed by gravity that provides the most efficient way to support the bridge's weight. Inside the concrete, a dense skeleton of steel rebar provides the tensile strength needed to keep the piers standing against wind, weight, and the forces of nature. From above, the logistics of the site are a work of art, a carefully choreographed dance of machines and men, building a monument to human engineering ingenuity. This is a smart bridge, equipped with thousands of sensors that provide real-time data to Syntech's monitoring centers, ensuring the structure's health is always known. Every detail is scrutinized, from the largest pier to the smallest bolt, ensuring that the design intent is perfectly realized in the final physical structure. Reaching the top takes time, and the journey up the tower offers a unique look at the sheer scale of the work being performed at these heights. At this altitude, the bridge is part of the sky, sharing its space with the clouds and the birds that call these mountain ranges their home. Bridges are living things. They expand in the heat and contract in the cold, requiring specialized joints that allow for this movement without sacrificing the road's smoothness. The equipment used here is as specialized as the bridge itself, designed to operate in the thin air and high winds of the Guizhou mountain peaks. The golden hour transforms the bridge into a work of art, a majestic structure that stands as a testament to the beauty of high-end structural engineering. Maintaining the balance of forces is a constant task, with digital systems working around the clock to ensure the bridge remains in perfect structural equilibrium, always. The final layer of the bridge is the road itself, a high-tech surface designed to provide maximum grip and durability for the millions of vehicles to come. Even the inside of the bridge is a world of its own, with vast hollow spaces that allow for inspection and maintenance of the internal steel framework. Safety is the priority for both the builders and the future users, with multi-layered barriers and warning systems integrated into every meter of the bridge's deck. Protection against the elements is vital, as the bridge must withstand decades of rain, mist, and sun without losing its structural strength or its visual brilliance. Under the stars, the bridge seems to reach out toward the cosmos, a symbol of humanity's eternal desire to explore and connect the distant and unknown. What began as a digital dream is now a physical reality, a bridge that stands as a monument to the power of modern engineering and design precision. The final link is closed, a moment of triumph for the thousands of people who have dedicated their lives to making this impossible connection a reality today. The Huajiang Bridge is now a permanent part of the landscape, a new landmark that will inspire future generations of engineers and explorers across the entire world. Innovation is the engine of this project, where cutting-edge machinery is developed specifically to tackle the unique demands of building at such an extreme altitude. Automation plays a crucial role, with robots performing high-precision welding tasks that ensure every joint is perfect and every bond is stronger than the metal. 5G technology provides the high-speed data link needed for real-time remote operation and data analysis, allowing engineers to monitor every detail from miles away today. The concrete itself is smart, with embedded sensors that track temperature, moisture, and stress, giving the bridge a nervous system that reports its health constantly. Lifting these massive sections from the canyon floor is a masterclass in physics and logistics, requiring perfectly synchronized crane operations to ensure a safe, steady ascent. Augmented reality allows our teams on the ground to see the invisible, visualizing the stresses and alignments that are critical for the bridge's ultimate success and safety. Climbing robots are the new inspectors, capable of reaching areas that would be too dangerous for humans, ensuring the integrity of every centimeter of the cables. The bridge is a hub for data, integrated into a regional smart grid that optimizes traffic flow and provides real-time information to drivers and transport authorities. Even amidst the high-tech machinery, the human element remains central. These workers are the heart of the project, bringing the vision to life with their hands. The machines themselves are wonders of mechanical engineering, designed to operate with absolute reliability in the thin, cold, and often turbulent air of the high mountains. Total situational awareness is maintained through an extensive network of high-resolution cameras, providing a constant eye on every aspect of the complex construction process. Pumping concrete vertically to these heights requires immense pressure and a specially formulated mix that remains fluid enough to reach the top without clogging. The bridge must withstand extreme temperature swings, from freezing mountain winters to the intense heat of the summer sun, without any loss in performance or safety. The digital twin is a living model of the bridge, allowing Syntech to test different scenarios and predict future maintenance needs before they even arise in reality. Remote-controlled rovers allow for thorough internal inspections of the bridge's most confined spaces, ensuring every weld and joint is checked for quality and structural integrity. Sustainability is built in, with integrated solar power systems, providing the energy needed to run the bridge's extensive monitoring and lighting systems around the clock. Advanced maintenance techniques like laser cleaning ensure that the bridge's materials are kept in pristine condition, extending the life of the structure and reducing long-term costs. Fiber optics are the nervous system of the bridge, carrying gigabytes of data every second, from the sensors to the central command and control centers. The world is watching as the Huajiang Bridge sets a new standard for infrastructure, serving as a model for future megaprojects across all the developing world. This bridge is a vital link in a larger vision, a node in a high-speed network that will transform the economy and the life of the region. Every movement is controlled, every vibration dampened, ensuring that the bridge remains a stable and safe platform for travel, regardless of the weather conditions outside. Absolute verticality is essential for the stability of the piers, and modern digital tools provide the precision needed to achieve this at such a massive scale. Transport drones are the couriers of the site, delivering parts and tools to hard-to-reach areas in minutes, significantly increasing the efficiency and safety of the construction. At Syntech, we are proud to be at the forefront of this technological revolution, providing the tools and the expertise needed to conquer the impossible. The sheer volume of materials is staggering, enough to build a small city, all concentrated into this one incredible structure spanning the deep mountain canyon. High-precision GPS allows us to monitor the bridge's position in real time, detecting even the smallest movements caused by wind, weight, or the shifting of the earth. The interior of the bridge is as impressive as the exterior, a complex cathedral of steel designed for maximum strength and ease of maintenance over its long life. Every connection is documented, ensuring that every bolt is tightened to the exact specification required for the bridge's ultimate safety and structural longevity. The final piece of the puzzle is lowered into place, a moment that signifies the completion of one of the greatest engineering feats of the 21st century. The bridge is a vision of the future, a testament to what we can achieve when we combine cutting-edge technology with human ambition and unyielding perseverance. Constant monitoring of the atmospheric environment is crucial for predicting maintenance needs and ensuring the bridge's long-term performance in this harsh and unpredictable mountain climate. The bridge reports its own health, giving our engineers the information they need to proactively maintain the structure and ensure its safety for all future users. The bridge is part of a larger transportation revolution in China, connecting once isolated regions to the global economy through high-speed roads and modern infrastructure. A name that will be remembered in history, a bridge that stands as a legacy for the people who built it and the people who will use it. In the end, the bridge is more than just steel and concrete. It is a bridge to the future, a connection between our current capabilities and dreams. As the day ends, the work continues, with Syntech Industries committed to pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of engineering and design. From the edge of space, the Huajiang Bridge is a testament to the power of human connection, a line drawn across the world that brings us closer. Innovation never stops. The Huajiang Bridge serves as a flying laboratory, testing new materials and sensors that will shape the next generation of global megaprojects. Autonomous scanning systems provide a level of detail that was previously impossible, allowing us to detect and fix microscopic issues before they ever become significant problems. Swarm technology allows for rapid, comprehensive inspections, with multiple drones working in perfect coordination to cover every square inch of the bridge in record time today. Smart drainage and anti-icing systems ensure the road remains safe, even in the worst weather, using sensors to detect and react to hazards in real time automatically. The use of advanced materials like self-healing concrete means the bridge can actually repair its own microfractures, significantly extending its lifespan and reducing its maintenance needs. Telerobotics with haptic feedback allow our experts to perform delicate tasks from the safety of the ground, bridging the gap between human skill and robotic precision. Sustainability is a core pillar of the Syntech philosophy, and the Huajiang Bridge is designed to be as green as it is grand, minimizing its environmental impact. Adaptive lighting systems ensure that the bridge is always visible and safe, regardless of how thick the mountain fog becomes or how dark the night gets. Active vibration control systems use advanced actuators to push back against the wind, keeping the bridge deck perfectly stable for a smooth and comfortable driving experience. The maintenance bays are high-tech hubs, where the latest diagnostic tools are used to ensure the bridge's electronic and mechanical systems are always operating at peak efficiency. Autonomous maintenance vehicles are the silent workers of the bridge, performing routine tasks without ever interrupting the flow of traffic or requiring human intervention on site. Every material is tested to the limit, ensuring that the bridge looks as good in 50 years as it does today, despite the harsh, high-altitude sun. Understanding the aerodynamics of the cables is vital for preventing wind-induced oscillations, and high-speed imaging provides the data needed to perfect the cable's protective shape. The bridge is an engine for economic development, creating jobs and opportunities in a region that was once defined by its isolation and its difficult mountain geography. There is a perfect harmony between the bridge and the environment, a balance of human achievement and natural beauty that is rare in the modern world today. The human spirit is what truly built this bridge, the drive to see what is over the next peak and to find a way to get there safely. Artificial intelligence is our partner in safety, analyzing thousands of hours of footage to find the tiny details that the human eye might miss over time. From the river below, the bridge is a giant in the mist, a structure that seems to bridge the gap between the mundane and the truly extraordinary. This is a bridge to the world, a key piece of a global network that is bringing nations together through shared infrastructure and common economic and social goals. Inspiring the next generation is perhaps the bridge's most important role, showing young minds that there are no limits to what humanity can dream and build. The bridge is also a destination, with observation decks that offer a view of the world that was previously reserved for only the bravest of mountain climbers. Connecting people is more than just about roads. The bridge serves as a digital hub, bringing high-speed communication to remote areas that were previously left behind. The machines that built the bridge are now moving on to the next challenge, leaving behind a permanent monument to their power and the skill of their operators. What once took hours of dangerous mountain driving now takes only minutes of smooth, safe travel across one of the world's most incredible and high-tech structures. Even the local wildlife has adapted to the bridge, finding new ways to coexist with this massive addition to their ancient and rugged mountain home in Guizhou. The bridge is a power plant, generating its own energy and contributing back to the local grid, a perfect example of modern, multifunctional, and sustainable infrastructure. Every detail is double-checked, ensuring that the bridge is as safe as it is beautiful, a standard of excellence that Syntech Industries is very proud to uphold. The bridge is alive. The first journey marks the start of a new era of connectivity and progress for the people of Guizhou and all of China. A new day has dawned for the Huajiang Canyon, a day where the impossible has become a physical reality for all to see and to use safely. At Syntech, we look back at this project with pride, knowing that we have helped to build a bridge that will stand the test of time and history. The legacy of the Huajiang Bridge is just beginning, a symbol of a region transformed and a world more connected than ever before in human history. For the people who live here, the bridge is a lifeline, a connection to a world of opportunity that was once hidden behind the high mountain peaks. Trade and commerce now flow freely, bringing goods and services to remote mountain villages and connecting them to the global markets of the 21st century world. Beauty and utility meet on the Huajiang Bridge, a structure that is as much a work of art as it is a vital piece of transportation infrastructure. The bridge is a part of the city even from miles away, a constant presence that has changed the rhythm of life for millions of people nearby. It is a bridge that commands respect, a structure that has tamed one of the wildest landscapes on Earth through the power of engineering and technology. Behind the machines and the data are the people, the visionaries, who saw a bridge where others only saw a void and a massive mountain range. In the silence of the winter night, the bridge stands as a testament to the enduring nature of human achievement and our drive to conquer nature. The commitment to excellence continues, with Syntech's teams ensuring that the bridge remains in perfect condition for the decades of travel and use to come. The bridge is now a part of the daily life of the region, a reliable and essential link that has become a normal part of the landscape. Every journey is a data point, helping us to understand the bridge's performance and to optimize the transportation network for everyone's safety and ultimate convenience. The bridge has become a world-class destination, attracting visitors from all over the globe to witness the scale and the beauty of this high-tech marvel. From every angle, the bridge is a masterpiece, a structure that looks as good from the water below as it does from the clouds high above. Syntech Industries is proud to have played a role in this historic project, providing the vision and the technology to make this incredible bridge possible. Infrastructure can be a force for good, and the Huajiang Bridge is a shining example of how we can build a better world for everyone. The mountains of Guizhou are no longer a barrier, but a beautiful backdrop for a bridge that has changed the face of the region and history. At 262 meters, the view is spectacular, a reminder of the height we have reached and the obstacles we have overcome together to build this bridge. A solid foundation is the key to any great structure, and the Huajiang Bridge is built on a rock that will stand for thousands of years. Constant vigilance is part of our commitment to safety, ensuring that every traveler on the bridge is protected by the latest in monitoring and technology. The future is electric and connected, and the Huajiang Bridge is a key piece of the infrastructure that will make this future a reality today. Every millimeter is perfect, a standard of quality that we at Syntech Industries demand of every project we are involved in across the whole globe. The bridge is an inspiration for everyone, a structure that has become a new icon for the people and the culture of the Guizhou province. From here, the bridge looks like a thread of steel and light, a delicate yet powerful connection across the vast and deep mountain canyon below. Data is the bridge's lifeblood, and our sophisticated processing centers ensure that this data is used to its full potential for safety and for efficiency. Success is a team effort, and the Huajiang Bridge is a result of the hard work and the dedication of thousands of people from all backgrounds. A nation is built on its connections, and the Huajiang Bridge is one of the strongest links in the chain of China's modern and growing economy. The bridge is a beacon of progress, a structure that lightens the way to a more connected and more prosperous future for everyone involved in it. At Syntech, our mission is to build a better world through innovation and excellence, and the Huajiang Bridge is a proud testament to that mission. The Huajiang Bridge is a monument to what humanity can achieve when we work together and push the boundaries of what is possible in engineering. Join Syntech Industries as we continue to explore the engineering wonders of tomorrow. Subscribe now to witness the next great leap in human infrastructure and design.